Introducing UltraDuo Z2, your best road buddy. Z2 is a smart dual lens dash cam that records everything on the road. Z2 has two editions designed for different purposes, standard and commercial. When you were the victim of a hit-and-run accident, don't worry about it. Z2 has already captured the other driver's license plate number. For those professional drivers, Z2 helps you to avoid troubles both inside and outside of your vehicle. One easy step and you are ready to go. As soon as you start the car, the camera will automatically turn on and start recording. When you are not with your car, Z2 is there to protect it. Z2 will automatically turn on and record if someone hits your car or tries to steal it. In case of an accident or emergency stop, the recording of that time is automatically protected. You will never lose the important videos.
Introducing the stunning, advanced Rexing V1P Pro Dash Camera. It's the first to market dual full HD innovative recording solution. Both front and rear cameras record in full 1080p HD with single channel recording of up to 4K resolution. Wide dynamic range allows for visual clarity in all types of light and conditions, and the 170-degree ultra-wide-angle lenses gives you the power to see everything that's happening around your vehicle. The V1P Pro is equipped with a gravity sensor that automatically detects impacts and starts recording immediately. This emergency footage is then locked, so you can use it later as evidence. It's the latest innovation in peace of mind. And we didn't stop there. The Rexing V1P Pro Dash Camera also includes a built-in GPS system, allowing you to log time and date, location, and speed information for all your recordings without the use of another external GPS. The Rexing Connect app links your mobile device to the dash cam, so you can view, save, and share footage instantly at any time. Powered by a supercapacitor, the camera can withstand extreme heat and cold, which ensures more uptime and reliability in any climate.
Introducing the BlackVue DR900X Plus series dash cams. With a new and improved 4K ultra-high resolution front camera, you'll capture the most critical details day and night. BlackVue's seamless pairing means that it's easier than ever before to connect to your dash cam without ever having to leave the BlackVue app. We understand that you are not always going to be with your vehicle. The DR900X Plus series makes it easy to stay connected by using the optional LTE connectivity module or by simply connecting to a mobile hotspot. Now you'll enjoy the benefits of the BlackVue Cloud, such as remote live view or impact notifications. And with built-in voltage monitoring, you can hardwire your BlackVue without having to worry about draining your vehicle's battery. The DR900X Plus series also features BlackVue's new mobile hotspot function, letting you turn your LTE-connected dash cam into a wireless hotspot to connect up to 5 devices while on the go. BlackVue DR900X Plus series.
Introducing DASHPAL, an innovative dash cam that does more than watch the road. Here's how it works. DASHPAL sends an instant alert every time the car starts. And you can even track the car's route in real time. DASHPAL's camera features a wide field of view that captures every detail in full HD quality, offering you more protection in case of an accident. DASHPAL also gives you safety tools perfect for young drivers, like speed alert and boundary settings. If your driver goes over the speed limit or boundary area set by you, you'll be the first to know. DASHPAL stores your car's driving history with facts like distance, time traveled, and fuel cost. DashPal even saves an animated playback of your route, complete with markers that show over-acceleration and hard braking. DashPal is always on, even when your car is off. And with its reliable internal modem, you're always connected via DashPal's app. Ever wonder what that check engine light means? With DashPal, it's easy to find out. DashPal communicates directly with your car and runs a 100-point vehicle inspection, alerting you to any potential problems. Installing DashPal takes only a few minutes and can easily be done without special tools or know-how. DashPal gives you real-time information on your car's location, health, and safety.
Introduce Lanmodo Vast Pro, a dual 1080-pixel full-color night vision system, and Dash Cam to let you drive safe at night. 8-inch high-resolution screen, 2.5D process technology, high-quality requirement. Support 128G storage. One-time record up to 30 hours, then automatically renew. With Sony CMOS chip and 7-layer glass lens, Lanmodo Vast Pro can capture clear view even in darkness and make it just as daylight. The night view distance can be up to 300 meters and let you have 2 to 3 more seconds to act. Bad weather? No problem. In rainy, foggy, or snowy day, Lanmodo Vast Pro still can offer excellent view. 2 ways to power on. Connect with OBD or the cigarette lighter. Then it can work. 2 ways installation. Lanmodo Vast Pro can fit any car. To make a living, most of the time we are on the way. Lanmodo Vast Pro can work all the time. For some people, they may have difficulties to drive at night, but with Lanmodo Vast Pro, they will not miss the important time in life.
Hi, I can drive at night now. I won't miss your bird party anymore.
If we say, also need to make sure the security. One click to turn off the screen, but the cameras always work. Drive at night. Not only need to focus on the way, but also need to be cautious about unexpected conditions, such as wild animal. 45-degree front camera makes sure all clear on the way, and 170-degree 1080-pixel rear view camera can record all the things when parked.